Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome or welcome back. In this time of worldwide difficulties, the whole world was put to a halt, including people in their jobs. But then the solution arrived that whatever the scenario might be, work should continue at all costs. And then work from home was adopted. Many people settled in well with the idea, while a larger number of people struggled. Many people lost their jobs in the process too, while those who adapted to work from home with ease had much to rejoice about. No more traveling halfway across the city to get to work on time or be stuck in hours of traffic. You wake up, open your laptop, and get down to work. And this is why so many people favored work from home. And today, we'll discuss those who have been benefited by working from home so greatly. This is the list of the highest paying work from home jobs. But before we get started, make sure you smash that subscribe button, press the notification bell, and leave a comment saying, "I subscribed." We will reply to as many comments as possible on this video. Okay, let's get started. Number 10. Travel agent. Salary range $32,000 to $44,000. A travel agent's job is to assist people in planning, choosing, and arranging their vacation, from their airline ticket to the hotel they'll be staying at. A travel agent is responsible for all of that. They usually have various options they could show to their customers, as they have customers from all over the country, and not everybody has the same budget on their hands. Hence, travel agents guide people on having the best time possible in a foreign country with the least expenditures. And this requires them to be very organized. They also give opinions and advice on the best tourist spots, where they'll be finding good merchandise to take home, great sites to visit, and the like. Basically, if you want to know how to have a good time in another country, a travel agent is your answer. Number 9. Medical claims processing. Salary range $36,000 to $40,000. A medical claims processing officer's job is to relay information about the patient to the insurance company to make sure the patient's claims get paid. The information received to the claims officer usually comes from the doctor or the patient's physician directly, and then he or she submits them forward. This is a slightly technical job, and those hired must have a sound medical background. All the paperwork is usually done via soft copies, hence the work is easy to do from home. A few tedious tasks which these officers need to carry out are confirming the patient's condition after their medical procedure is done and convincing the insurance company to clear off the claims. So it certainly requires some convincing power. Number 8. Graphic designer. Salary range $38,000 to $50,000. These technology-laden innovators are the need of the hour when you want to advertise, market, or create merchandise. Graphic designers are some of the most creative people in the tech game. They tend to woo the client using a combination of creativity and business metrics. Bringing together typography, motion graphics, images, or even 3D models, a graphic designer is usually very sharp in photo and video editing. Whatever idea of your product you have in mind, they tend to bring it out in print format just the way you want it. Since a graphic designer's job usually requires a small workspace with only their desktop, laptop, or tablet, working from home for them is no difficult task. And they even tend to have more creative juices flowing while working on their own in complete silence. Number 7. Property manager. Salary range $30,000 to $50,000. Property managers have the task of preserving and increasing the value of their clients' properties. Since there is big money in investment properties, the profits can be big for these managers as well. A property manager knows all the real estate market's ins and outs, and they don't allow you to invest anywhere where your money is at risk. They take calculated and low-risk methods to ensure their clients get the finest deals possible, and that deal goes on in the future to increase profits and the value of the property. Another essential responsibility a property manager has is handling buying and selling documents, leasing papers, and the like. The rare times these property managers must step out of the house is when they need to see a property up close. Other than that, working from home for them is highly convenient. It even saves on office costs massively. Number 6. Technical writer. Salary range $42,000 to $50,000. Technical writers are probably the most saturated type of writers in the freelancing market. But that doesn't mean they earn fewer amounts or aren't valued. If you're good at what you do, then anybody will hire you in no time. So, what exactly does a technical writer do? A technical writer transforms complex information and jargon into simplified language that a normal person could understand. No special terms or figures that will wreck the person's brain. Hence, most technical writers' work is for instruction manuals, reference guides, article papers, journal articles, and white papers. Depending on the number of subjects one can work on, the salary cap increases as the work's quality and quantity increase. Number 5. Inside sales. Salary range $40,000 to $43,000. Inside sales representatives carry out sales of products or services by personnel who tend to reach customers through phone, email, or the internet. They are also termed remote or virtual sales agents. Now, since all it requires is a phone or a computer, then this work is quite easily doable from one's home. Better yet, a room could be designated in a house where several people could work at once. That could technically be a workplace, but inside a house. These sales types are incredibly convenient as they do not require the seller to head over to the customer to market his or her product. Base salary plus frequent commissions turn this into a lovely job. Furthermore, no additional skills are required for this. One only needs to know how to buy and sell stuff and how to interact with a customer. Win-win situation, to say the least. Number 4. Interpreter or translator. Salary range $43,000 to $50,000. Interpreters or translators work on converting one language to another. This requires complete fluency over the two languages that can be translated to and from, and vice versa. But once the person gets the hang of this, it is a great job to have. And not just this, once you master the language and have a native-sounding accent, there are even better opportunities, such as a voiceover artist or even dubbing for a television program or a movie. It would help if you had a good functioning microphone, stable internet, and a desktop, and you're good to go for this job. Once you get command of the languages you wish to translate, people contact you directly since they tend to stick to the person they had a fruitful experience with in the past. Number 3. Public Relations Professional. Salary range $50,000 to $55,000. Public relations professionals have the job of being the diplomacy dynamites. They promote a positive image for an individual or organization to interact with another individual or organization and create healthy professional ties between them. They act as a middleman between two parties, but keep their relationship healthy and make sure nobody ends up creating a fuss in the background. They also improve relations of specific organizations with the public, handling certain matters of theirs in front of the media and public. More parties involved means that these people have money frequently dropping into their bank accounts, as any successful deal between their clients results in them getting bonuses. Number 2. Financial Planner. Salary range $55,000 to $60,000. Imagine having so much money you don't know what to do about it. This is where you leave your work to a financial planner. Financial planners help individuals to grow monetarily. They tell people how to manage their income, backup funds, and investments. They are smart players because, unlike a property manager mentioned earlier in their list, they have all information about your income sources and tell you the best way to spend your money, having bright ideas to bring in more income than before. And better yet, they guide you on how to increase that source of income. Helping people meet their long-term financial plans and goals, a financial planner is a good investment for anyone confused about what to do with the money you have. Number 1. Software Engineer. Salary range $70,000 to $75,000. The cream of the crop. Number 1 on this list doesn't really come as a surprise to anybody, with the IT sector booming worldwide. Software engineers are enjoying their time right now. Be it someone from Silicon Valley or in a warehouse in the UK, software engineers are making really good money at the moment. Analyzing the needs of their customers and designing software that helps to ease that need is their job. They also create computer security systems that prevent any hacker from entering your system. For any application which your computer needs, a software engineer is there to deliver that application. And if the need isn't met, they will keep working until the customer is delighted. There's a reason that software engineers are the most sought out in the world right now. We just might be having a shortage of them. If you're still here, thanks for making it this far in the video. This was the list of the highest paying work from home jobs. And as the world progresses every day, many other professions will be entering this list in no time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out the links below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell, as it will help out this channel a lot. Check out one or both of the videos listed here on this page. And as always, learn more, hustle on, and power through. Thank you, and see you all in just a few minutes.